In this video, I show you how you can download the thumbnail from your own YouTube channel, or if you want to download it from your YouTube feed in high resolution for any thumbnail, you can easily download this with following the simple step. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So for example, if you want to download it from your own channel, let's say this is the thumbnail that I want to download. Let's go on this link. And if we scroll down, we have this thumbnail attached right here. So just go to the three dots right here on the corner and click on download image, and your image will be downloaded in the high quality. Now just right click. Actually, it will open this image. So after that, just right click, save image as, and it will be saved in your downloads by default. So just choose the location you want and click on save. Now just notice that it will be downloaded in WEBP file. So you have to use a converter if you want to convert it to JPEG or PNG file. So anyways, this is how you can download this. Now we are going to see that if you want to download, let's say this YouTube thumbnail, how we can do this. But guys, this is just for the educational purposes. You cannot use the thumbnail of anyone on YouTube, as it is the violation of the copyrights. So let's say I am inspired with this thumbnail. What you can do is just open this and copy this ID right here next to watch, and after that you can just use this HTTPS link that I will link in the description, and after that just go on this link, just copy and paste this URL. You will get this in the description of this video. So just copy this and let's try it in a new private window. I'll just paste it right here, and this URL says add here. So this is where you will paste this ID that we just copied from here on this video. Let's paste it right here and let's hit enter. If it doesn't show you in the private window, we can try it on the main one where the video is played. So let's copy and paste here, and just remove this add here, and we will copy and paste this one right here, and now hit enter. Now some images are restricted, so let's try some other one. For example, this one. Let's try to paste it. And now you can see that we have the thumbnail in high quality and in the full screen. Let's click on save image and save it to the location you want. And you can see now it is saved as a JPEG file, also in the high quality. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, mention down in the comments and like this video, because that really helps me out. Also subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification of more amazing videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.